Welcome back, guys. Looking for the best smartwatches of 2025? We've rounded up the top 6 that blend style, smarts, and serious performance. Whether you're into fitness, fashion, or staying connected on the go, these watches have something for everyone. Let's dive into the ultimate wrist tech of the year. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Number 6. Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Meet the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, where rugged durability meets cutting-edge style. Built for the bold, this powerhouse wearable features a titanium frame, a vivid sapphire crystal display, and military-grade toughness that's ready for anything. Whether you're crushing your workout, climbing a mountain, or navigating a busy day, its precision GPS, long-lasting battery, and advanced health tracking keep you on point. With seamless Galaxy integration, customizable watch faces, and water resistance up to 100 meters, it's more than a smartwatch. It's your ultimate adventure companion. Stay connected, stay ahead, and push your limits with the Galaxy Watch Ultra. It's tough, smart, and stylish, just like you. Ready for the extremes, perfect for every day. The future of wearable tech? It's already on your wrist. Want a version in a different tone or for a specific audience? Number 5. Amazfit GTR 4. Say hello to the Amazfit GTR 4. The perfect mix of classic style and next-gen smarts. This sleek smartwatch rocks a premium aluminum alloy body with a vibrant 1.43-inch AMOLED display that turns heads and keeps you connected. Whether you're hitting the gym or heading to a meeting, its dual-band GPS, 150-plus sports modes, and powerful Zepp OS 2.0 keep everything running smooth. With up to 14 days of battery life, advanced heart rate and SpO2 monitoring, and Alexa built in, it's got your back all day, every day. The GTR 4 blends timeless design with modern performance so you can track your health, crush your goals, and stay ahead without missing a beat. It's not just smart, it's Amazfit smart. Want it geared more toward fitness lovers or tech enthusiasts? Number 4. Garmin Venue 3. Meet the Garmin Venue 3, your all-day wellness partner wrapped in sleek modern style. With a stunning AMOLED touchscreen and a lightweight, durable design, it's built for life on the move. From gym sessions to daily errands, Venue 3 tracks it all. Heart rate, sleep, stress, energy levels, and even personalized workouts. Plus, with built-in GPS, body battery insights, and up to 14 days of battery life, it's made to keep up with your lifestyle, not slow it down. Stay connected with calls, texts, and music right from your wrist, whether you're Android or iPhone. And with new wheelchair mode and nap tracking, it's more inclusive and intuitive than ever. Garmin Venue 3 isn't just smart, it's wellness redefined, right at your fingertips. Need a version focused on outdoor users or health tracking? Number 3. Huawei Watch GT4. Introducing the Huawei Watch GT4, where bold design meets smart performance. This stylish smartwatch blends classic elegance with cutting-edge tech, featuring a brilliant AMOLED display, stainless steel finish, and a sleek profile that turns heads. Whether you're on a run, at the office, or out on the town, it's packed with advanced health tracking, from heart rate and SpO2 to sleep and stress monitoring. All powered by Huawei's TrueScene TM 5.5 Plus technology. With over 100 workout modes, accurate dual-band GPS, and up to 14 days of battery life, the GT4 keeps you moving without missing a beat. Plus, it's compatible with both Android and iOS. The Huawei Watch GT4 isn't just a smartwatch, it's your lifestyle upgraded. Would you like a sportier or more fashion-forward version? Number 2. OnePlus Watch 2. Say hello to the OnePlus Watch 2, where powerful performance meets sleek sophistication. Built with premium stainless steel and a brilliant 1.43-inch AMOLED display, this smartwatch delivers serious style and stamina. Thanks to its dual-engine architecture, you get up to 100 hours of battery life in smart mode. That's days of non-stop fitness tracking, smart notifications, and seamless Google Wear OS features. Whether you're crushing your workouts, navigating with built-in GPS, or taking calls right from your wrist, the Watch 2 keeps up without breaking a sweat. With advanced health monitoring, fast charging, and buttery smooth performance, it's more than just a watch. It's your everyday smart companion. OnePlus Watch 2 is smart, fast, and built to last. Ready to level up your wrist game. Number 1. Amazfit Falcon. Meet the Amazfit Falcon, the ultimate rugged smartwatch built for champions. Crafted from aircraft-grade titanium with a sapphire crystal glass display, this beast is tough enough for any adventure and stylish enough for everyday wear. It's packed with pro-level features like dual-band GPS, AI-powered training guidance, and over 150 sports modes to track every move with precision. Whether you're scaling mountains or hitting the gym, its military-grade durability and 20 ATM water resistance have your back. With up to 14 days of battery life and Zepp OS running the show, performance never takes a break. The Amazfit Falcon isn't just a smartwatch, it's your elite fitness partner, forged for the extreme and designed to dominate. Ready to train like a pro? This watch already is. Want a more intense or outdoorsy version? So guys, all for that. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care, bye.